Tsunami alerts have been issued across the Pacific after a massive 8.8 magnitude quake struck Russia's Far East overnight. Hawaii and parts of Japan have downgraded their tsunami warnings this morning, with Hawaii lifting evacuation orders across the state. For more on all of this, let's bring in CBS News correspondent Jonathan Vigliotti. He joins us from Malibu. Jonathan, good morning. It appears that the worst or the most risky outcome has passed, but what has Malibu seen so far, and what are some of the risks ahead?
Yeah, Errol, good morning to you. I think you put it right. The worst of the waves never truly materialized. Here in Southern California, measuring in about half a foot. In Hawaii, we're talking just under 6 feet. Hawaii using their emergency tsunami sirens for the first time in more than a decade. And yesterday we watched as the video rolled in from the state after those sirens, the panic that unfolded in the streets. We're talking tens of thousands of people across the islands scrambling to seek higher ground. In some cases, some people stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic for several hours as they sought safety. And this morning, residents and tourists on the island now breathing a sigh of relief. The evacuation orders, as you mentioned, they have been downgraded now. People can return back home. The warning downgraded to an advisory. We can tell you we had flights planned to go to Hawaii. Those were actually canceled. We heard stories yesterday of tourists trying to get to Hawaii when they were rerouted, turned around mid-flight. The airport, from what we understand, is back open, but still a lot of caution ahead, specifically with the water and the waves, as the impact continues to ripple, Arrow.
And let's just touch on that quickly, Jonathan, because if people wake up and hear, okay, the tsunami is not going to hit, the worst of this is past, what risks may there be for people in Malibu and the West Coast who still want to surf, get in the water, considering that the currents may also be stronger today?
Yeah, the message from officials, specifically here in Southern California, the same holds true in Hawaii, is to be cautious around the coast, specifically the concern being riptides and strong surge. So officials here urging people over the next 20 hours to heed those warnings, to take caution if trying to go into the water, Errol.
Yeah, good advice there. Jonathan Vigliotti, thank you. Joining us from Malibu.